Holy maiden voyage, Batman. Where are we? Robin, we're at beautiful Lake Poway, and we're about to run the BatBoat. Gee, Batman, what is the BatBoat? The BatBoat, Robin, is the dead-ahead RC Timmy, modified for bat purposes, fitted with an Aveox 1005 2Y motor, running a straight shaft and a Gropner S29 prop on 2S. Here we go, Robin, for the maiden voyage of the BatBoat. Okay, atomic batteries to power, turbines to speed. Roger, let's move out. Batman's gonna stay in close to shore within casting range. Fortunately, the wind is on shore. I'm thinking CG's a little far aft. I have several batteries. We'll move it forward next time. Yes, CG is a little far aft. We may just move the battery back and install more left rudder. Okay, until then, jet out. Okay, tubers, here we are with a CG adjustment and a rudder throw adjustment. I've given it a little less right rudder, a little more left rudder, and I've moved the battery forward an inch. In a 16-inch boat, that's considerable. It's 1/16 of the length. So, here we go. Keep it in close to shore, within casting distance. I'm thinking it might need those turn fins. It has far more power than it needs. It really banks over in that turn too. It is kind of top heavy with those characters. And I can't hit full throttle. It won't do it. I'll try the maybe I'll try a less pitchy prop next time. I'm hoping the breeze will die down so I can run the Miss Exide This boat needs less power, I think. I think the Aveox might be overkill. You know, fins and trim tabs. This might be a hull that requires some tuning functions. Yeah, trim tabs and turn fins are what this hull needs. So you can tune it. Right now I have nothing to tune other than CG. And it really wants to prop walk on quick acceleration. Yep, turn fins and trim tabs. I'm not going to run this anymore today, boys and girls. It's going to need more work. I have turn fins. Trim tabs are a dime a dozen. Until the breeze dies, jet out. Okay, boys and girls, here's a postmortem on the BatBoat, and I'll show you the innards here. I have it jammed full of jam foam. This is just, you know, because I had no idea what to expect, so I put as much foam as I could, and it's all just kind of loose in there, but you know, I've got room for the arm. I did get a couple of drops of water in there, and I'm not sure if it was the design of the hatch. My water system is watertight, so I'll check it in the sink later on and see if I can find if there's an obvious leak. Maybe I have a hole in my bellows. Who knows? Anyway, it's going to get turn fins, and it's going to get trim tabs. It needs them. So until next time, boys and girls, jet out. Oh, before I go, the BatBoat lives in the Bat Bag. Until next time, boys and girls, jet out. Okay, boys and girls, welcome back. The wind has died down a little bit, and we're going to run this puppy. This is the Spinout Queen, and we're trying to resolve that spinout issue. The only change I've made is I've put a different turn fin that's a little further forward on it. And we still have a bit of an onshore breeze, not as much as earlier, but should there be any problems, it'll eventually come back to shore, and provided it's still floating. So again, I'm going to try to stay within casting range, take it easy, just try to get a nice straightaway, and slowly work it up on the turns. So here we go, boys and girls. Right, left, motor. Still a little bit of a hook. Sorry, Vinny. You know, that's a little better. I may want to reduce rudder throw. See that change of direction when I let off the throttle? Because it's compensating for prop walk. And then when I let off, wanted to hook a little bit there. Maybe moving the CG aft a bit. It looked like that sponson wanted to catch. That was wide open for a brief second. There's full trigger. So you full trigger coming at you. The fin seems to have helped quite a bit. Maybe moving the CG back. That's like 3/4 throttle, half throttle through the turn, 3/4 on the straights. Nailing the throttle sure pops the stern over. And it does really fly coming at you. That was the whole design philosophy of this hull, was to get it to fly. Check this out. That was almost scary. Almost drove it up under the dirt. But check it out again. You can see how it flies, and maybe I do need to move the CG back. Oh, now I need a fishing pole. Jet out. Hello, boys and girls. Here's the postmortem on the Miss Exide. I did get about a teaspoon of water in it, and it did spend some time upside down, so next time out we'll have to check it out. I ran it after I fished it out, and I noticed it's almost too light on the front end. I did some coming at me runs up close, and it's real light on the sponsons. I don't think I want to move the weight any further back. So, future testing, I'm going to cut a turn fin that moves even closer. I did do some turns with less rudder, and I'm thinking my original thought of shortening the rudder may be a good idea. And we're just saying thanks to some people. I also put this stuff on YouTube because there's like 50 people in the whole US that do this stuff, and so we kind of stay in touch with each other.
What's it called?
Oh, they're just search YouTube for radio controlled boats, and there's a handful of us that do it. Okay, take care. So anyway, that'll be the future. I may shorten up that rudder like I was thinking. I did try some turns with a whole lot less throw, so I'm going to try chopping some off that rudder. And I think it was Jay Turner that remarked on how you trim a rudder. You cut it down to where it's too short, and then you buy another one like it and cut it down to where it last worked. So that may be what I do with this rudder. Just start cutting it down until it doesn't work, and these are easily replaceable. So anyway, until next time, boys and girls, jet out.